Hi, welcome to GM Tech Auto Care channel. My name is Wan, and today we are going to do an unboxing of our DA-MINI-8 3-inch polisher. Alright, so let's get straight to unboxing. So in this box, we have our DA 3-inch polisher, and it's similarly like our EZ21 5-inch. We also give this in a set. So you'll get one purple wool pad, one maroon foam polishing pad, and also Infinity 9.0 150 grams and Infinity 8.0 150 grams. So let's talk about the specs of our polisher machine. Okay, so this is powered with 380 watts. Okay, it uses a UK plug point, and we actually have a quite long cable. Uses about, I think, 4 meters in length. Okay, so in this polisher machine right here, this is where we turn on and off. If you want to lock your switch, just press and hold, and then it will lock into place, and you can just click it over there. Alright, and this is actually a variable speed as well. So similarly, like how you would operate our DA polisher, you got speed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So similarly, when you want to do your polishing, we'll be using speed 4 and 5 most of the time. What includes in our instruction manual, of course, basic instruction in how to do maintenance and taking care. You also get a spare set of carbon brush. So if you want to open and service your carbon brush once it's already used up, you can access it over through here. Alright, so one set has 2 pieces. Okay, so let's talk about a bit about our polishing pads. Alright, so you've seen we have our purple wool pad and maroon polishing pad. Now I would like to share, GM Tech Auto Care, we actually provide several other 3-inch polishing pads. We have our velvet 3-inch suitable for DA, and you got a black wool pad which is much more coarser than a purple wool pad. So if you're looking for a bit more heavier cutting, you can use a purple wool pad, and also orange finishing pad. So if you want already polished with our maroon pad and you still see there is some sort of like swirl, slight light swirls, you can actually do a better refinish using our orange finishing pad. Now these are all not included, but also available as a purchase add-on together with our DA 3-inch polisher. Okay, so that is all for what we have in our unboxing today. If you have any questions, do comment on our video below. Follow our social media, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, and also TikTok. I'll see you next time.